Hello, everybody. Today is October 27th, 2025, and it is just roughly before 8 a.m. So I wanted to make a quick video here. Basically, what is going on with now Category 5 Hurricane Melissa. Unfortunately, the worst of the worst basically has become into fruition. As of the 5 o'clock in the morning update, Melissa has winds of 160 miles per hour. Is moving west at 3 miles per hour. So it should start soon taking more of a northwest to north track or trajectory heading towards Jamaica. Pressure is 917 millibars, so that dropped drastically overnight. When I went to bed, it was in I think like mid 930s or something like that, and now wake up in the morning and it's 917 and it continues to drop. Hurricane hunters have found pressure of 912, so in other words, it continues to intensify, unfortunately bringing the worst case scenario for Jamaica. Now, if we look at let's take a quick look here at what it looks like on satellite imagery right now. This is what Melissa looks like this morning. As of right now, I mean, it's just textbook Category 5. I mean, just destructive. In the last frames, it looked like Melissa is kind of moving a little bit more west than anticipated. So I wouldn't be surprised if the track kind of excuse me, if the track kind of travels or shifts further west. That's basically has been the trend all day yesterday for the most part. So we'll see how much longer is it going to continue to move west. Now it could continue to move a little bit more west and can then kind of do that, or it could do that and then just go straight north. That's another possibility. But as of right now, we're expecting it, or the National Hurricane Center is kind of expecting it to affect western Jamaica, and we're talking about roughly about 24 hours from now, 22 hours from now. So sunrise roughly is the expectation that is going to make landfall. Now it's going to be probably according to our local meteorologist, it's going to be probably sometime around noon or the afternoon when it's supposed to emerge back into the Atlantic and then put its eyes into Cuba, eastern Cuba. But as of right now, guys, I mean, since last night it has been raining. You guys don't have a lot of time left. I mean, even though it's about 22 hours from landfall, but from this point on, conditions should continue to deteriorate and becoming, heavier rains, stronger winds, and going downhill from now until tomorrow once the storm passes. So if you guys have not done so, please go ahead and finish your preparations, because you're running out of time, unfortunately. But with that being said, let me just show you what the recon is showing. So yeah, potentially 912 millibars, like I said. I mean, 916, that's the official, but again, they do keep doing passes as of, basically they turn around, do another pass, turn around, do another pass. Once they do multiple passes to the center, and especially now, they're going to continue to do that throughout the day because of how close it is to Jamaica, unfortunately. But again, guys, there's no more to think about it. There's no more to do. It's just bracing for impact at this point. Again, one last shot there. I will make another video later today as the storm continues to get closer and closer to Jamaica. But guys, this is just a historic event. Jamaica has potentially never been impacted by a Category 5 hurricane, at least in recorded history. I did a little bit of research and went back to the 1500s when the Spaniards were in Jamaica. And yes, there was reports of storms. Obviously, technology was nowhere near as advanced today as now you guys are seeing this live. Back then, obviously, it was a lot different, but they did report some storms, and that's typical. But on recorded history, there's no category 4 or 5 that had made landfall in Jamaica. So we're basically looking at history right now. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe. Let's try to get as close as we can to 600 subscribers. So other than that, guys, appreciate you watching. Have a good day.